If you wanna go from this to this, there's only one proven method you need. This is called the Outlier method. For example, let me take this channel, which is in self-improvement niche. See, the average views of this channel is 2.3k, 1k to 5k views. Now see, this one video of self-educate has blown up and got 4.2 lakh views. Here, this video is called the Outlier video. For example, see how the other small channels use this Outlier video to gain 10x more views. For example, see this channel Next Mind. Its average views are see again 2.3k, 1k like that. Then see, it uploaded the same video of self-educate, almost same similar title, the similar thumbnail, and see, this video has blown up again. Now let's take an example of another channel, Next Core. See, this channel also average 9.1k views, 4k views and all. Now this channel made two videos on self-education. One is Master Anything and second is about self-education. But those mean same. Now see, both videos has blown up. One video has hit 1 lakh views, the other is also getting views. Whereas the other videos, look at them, they are just stuck on 2.2 to 10k views max. So this is called Outlier method. Same goes with Minecraft. In fact, I have created a PDF in which I have written more than 10 outlier topics, which I'll be sharing with you guys in my next video, in which I'm going to show you how you can write the SEO titles, how you can create the thumbnails, and all other YT stuff. So yeah, I'm going to upload that video on next Sunday at 7:30 PM. So do subscribe and keep your alarms ready for that video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I was editing the video and found out that I am talking so nervously in this video. So this is my first video, guys. So please don't mind that and subscribe.